Look at this. And I have it slightly different. And we sit in a beautiful dining place overlooking the swimming pools and overlooking beautiful bon appetit.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Oh, absolutely. That's what we do. All the best.
Hola, so today I'm in Arguineguin, a small town in the southern part of Gran Canaria. So let's explore the small town and go to the beach.
Yes, small park.
Let's go. So this is part of the town center.
Okay, so there's a beach here. There are some boats over there on the end, on the mouth of this little cove. And there's an apartment. Yes, let's explore the town.
Quite a nice mural on the restaurant or cafe. There's a Chinese restaurant over there. And Arguineguin Beach.
Let's continue our walk. It's a small little
Some more
cafeteria,
section of town over there.
as Asian small shops. Oh, yeah. Okay. Interesting flowers.
This one is a Canary Marero Rodriguez.
Miguel Madrero Rodriguez. And very beautiful Virgin the camel. Pottery.
Let's see.
And little boat.
So let's walk towards the port.
Okay, some bars, restaurants.
Let's go up.
It's all about taste. Gran Canaria. Oh, and a big square. Oh yeah.
view along Paseo Maranuelas.
Oh, very nice. Looks very clean also.
So this is the port of Arguineguin. So we are at the end of the Paseo of Promenade, and it's quite a nice little house, terrace house at the back of the house,
Yeah, very rustic.
which is near to the dockyard and the port of Arguineguin. This is at the other end of Arguineguin town, closer to the port.
Okay, let's go.
This is Playa de la Maranuelas in Arguineguin.
Hey, it's a very beautiful to remember.
So it's quite a quiet beach.
Oh, that looks wonderful. I like those palms. So, we have a nice cake. Hello, how is your cake? And to sit in a beautiful place by the sea or by the ocean, the nice palm trees around us. Yes, it's quite nice.
Hello. So let's go to see Iglesia Norica in Gran Canaria.
Let's go down to the sea. Mm-hmm.
And
Moment. Ah, look at it. Beautiful cactuses. Nice.
maybe it's a former church.
Oh, could be.
And there's a restaurant down there.
Mm. Yes, Italian restaurant
And the beach.
and the beach. Okay, can go there. Oh, not really. Oh yes, you can go a little bit.
Yeah, I can stop. So it's the view around Iglesia Norica in Gran Canaria.
And this is empty on the end. Some boats. Shimmering, beautiful silver reflection in the sea or ocean. Very nice. Yeah, Swedish church by the sea. Oh, the, oh, it's a church in with a restaurant.
So we are going to walk to Annecy.
Uh-huh.
Nautical Dive Center. Sangria.
Uh-huh. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, that's very pretty. Small beach, small pool. Yes, very beautiful. Uh-huh.
A beautiful walk pathway up to the top.
Okay. So now we can go down.
So this is other town center of Arguineguin.
Okay. Look at this amazing path. Leading pool. Pool of water by the sea. Yeah. Oh, it's lovely.
This is Playa Costa Alegre, a natural pool-like beach on the other side of Arguineguin.
Oh wow. Let's swim. Let's.
So today we are swimming at Playa Costa Alegre.
Oh, you better wait. Oh wow. Oh yes, very good. Yeah.